The Pfaff Admire Air 5000 Serger has been a dream to do all these videos on for you, but there's more. Do you know there are tons of Serger classes that you can take on Bluprint to take your Serger to the next level? The purple pillow here, I actually took a Bluprint class from Angela Wolf, who does amazing quick Serger gift project class. So all the patterns are included, all the instruction, and she talks about how to take the stitches that I've just shown you and take them and incorporate them into the next project. This is one that was actually done with flat lock stitching. We're kind of doing some decorative work right now because we've got the Razzle Dazzle thread from Ricky Timms in. That's from Superior Threads. Again, find links below this YouTube video to get you to those fun threads. So I encourage you to explore your serger and leave it out. Make sure you have a place for it in your sewing room, that it can just always be there. It can be just turned on and used. You don't have to pull it out and set it up, because if you have to do that, you probably aren't going to do it. So I hope you'll make room for your serger to have its own permanent place, and that you will start to use it in more places than you've ever dreamed. So thanks for watching all of our YouTube videos. Again, you can find links to our entire playlist of every part of this serger learning. And don't forget, you got to clean it and do a little oiling, when to change needles, how to get threads fixed if things go wrong. We've got you covered. So thanks so much, and I appreciate all your support, and I hope you have enjoyed these. Pass them on to your friends. Tell your local Pfaff store that you have found these and that they have helped you. And if they haven't found them, maybe you can help them.